Lecture outline, barrier methods of contraception. 1. Introduction to contraception. Definition. Contraception refers to methods or devices used to prevent pregnancy. Purpose. Helps in family planning, prevents unintended pregnancies, and can also protect against sexually transmitted infections, STIs. What are barrier methods? Definition. Barrier methods are types of contraception that physically block sperm from reaching an egg. How they work. By creating a physical barrier, these methods prevent sperm from entering the uterus. 3. Types of barrier methods. 1. Male condoms. Description. A thin sheath worn over the penis during intercourse. Material, usually made of latex, polyurethane, or polyisoprene. Effectiveness, highly effective when used correctly. Advantages, protects against STIs, easy to use, widely available. Disadvantages, can break or slip if not used properly. 2. Female condoms. Description, a pouch inserted into the vagina before intercourse. Material, made of nitrile or polyurethane. Effectiveness, effective when used correctly. Advantages, protects against STIs, can be inserted hours before sex. Disadvantages, less widely available, can be tricky to use at first. 3. Diaphragms and cervical caps. Description, a dome-shaped device that covers the cervix. Material, made of silicone or latex. Effectiveness, effective when used with spermicide. Advantages, reusable, hormone-free. Disadvantages, requires fitting by a healthcare provider, less effective than condoms. 4. Spermicides. Description, chemical agents that kill sperm, often used with other barrier methods. Forms, gels, foams, creams, suppositories. Effectiveness, less effective on their own, better when combined with other methods. Advantages, easy to use, accessible. Disadvantages, may cause irritation, less effective at preventing pregnancy. Effectiveness of barrier methods. Perfect use versus typical use. Discuss the difference in effectiveness between perfect and typical use. Comparison with other methods. Briefly compare barrier methods with hormonal methods, IUDs, etc. 5. Advantages of barrier methods. Non-hormonal, suitable for those who cannot or prefer not to use hormonal contraception. Protection against STIs, especially important for sexually active individuals with multiple partners. Accessibility. Most barrier methods are available over the counter without a prescription. 6. Disadvantages of barrier methods. User dependency. Effectiveness relies heavily on correct use. Potential discomfort. Some users may find barrier methods uncomfortable or inconvenient. Lower effectiveness, generally less effective than some other contraceptive methods. 7. How to use barrier methods correctly. Step-by-step instructions. Basic guidance on the correct use of each method. Common mistakes. Tips on avoiding common errors such as incorrect condom use. 8. Conclusion. Recap of key points. Emphasize the importance of using barrier methods correctly and consistently. Encouragement to explore options. Encourage individuals to speak with a healthcare provider to find the best contraceptive method for their needs. Visual aids and resources. Diagrams. Simple illustrations of how barrier methods work. Demonstrations. If possible, include a video or live demonstration of how to use a condom. Further reading. Provide links or references to reputable sources for more information. This outline will help non-specialists understand the basics of barrier methods of contraception, including how they work, their advantages, and their limitations.